Waterproof labels are absolutely essential for any business owner looking to sell a product that may come into contact with moisture or frequent handling. In this video, we'll go over all of our weatherproof material options, show how you can waterproof your own labels after printing, and talk about if going weatherproof is right for you. It probably goes without saying, but if you're making labels or stickers that'll come in contact with water, weatherproof options are a must. Without that extra durability, you'll find that you have a smudged, ripped up, or unreadable label pretty quickly. But even beyond that, upgrading to waterproof protects your design from smearing away or peeling off. If you're designing for outdoors, long-term storage, or even extreme heat or extreme cold, waterproof could save your labels from falling apart. Simple condensation could damage your beverage labels. Rain could obscure your shipping label's barcode and leave you with lost packages. Important information on warning stickers could be made unreadable by environmental wear and tear. On our weatherproof materials, your designs will also look sharper and more vivid than ever, meaning they'll last longer while looking better too. We offer many kinds of weatherproof labels for both inkjet and laser printers. So let's take a look at some of our blank label options on sheets. We'll start with our materials that work with inkjet printers. First is our weatherproof matte, which utilizes a water-fast inkjet coating and would adhere to just about any surface for as long as you need. Its bright white background and matte finish lets full-color designs truly pop. This is a great choice if you need versatile, tear-resistant labels. We also offer weatherproof gloss material, which brings photo quality to your design against a clean white background. The glossy texture will help your label pop against any background and gives it a sleek, shiny appearance. The next few options will work if you're printing with a laser printer. If you need something for tough applications or especially harsh conditions, our weatherproof polyester labels have the heavy-duty durability you're looking for. Intricate logos and text will look perfect against the white face sheet. Our clear gloss laser labels are made with a fully transparent film material, perfect for a subtle or understated look. The adhesive resists water damage and it's incredibly durable. If you want a more textured look, check out our clear matte laser labels. These are made from a film material with a slightly frosted appearance. They blend in really well with most surfaces, giving you an aesthetically pleasing and professional look. Weatherproof silver polyester labels are printed on a brushed silver material that gives a perfect balance of elegance and durability. Your design against this reflective polyester will feel front and center wherever you apply it. If you're ordering custom printed labels, you'll find even more weatherproof label options. Let's take a look. First is white weatherproof material for sheets. This features a satin sheen face sheet and a permanent adhesive, and of course, resistant to all kinds of moisture and liquids. For maximum durability against moisture and oils, you'll definitely want a laminated label. All of our custom printed rolls and stickers come laminated for that added durability. On custom printed rolls, we offer white weatherproof BOP and clear weatherproof BOP. BOP is one of the most reliable materials on the market. These feature durable film face sheets and weatherproof adhesives, so you won't catch them peeling away or slipping off over time. You can choose between a gloss or matte top coat to lock in your print and add an extra layer of aesthetics to your design. Our custom stickers arrive printed on white weatherproof material that'll display your designs in full quality on durable tear-resistant polyester. The white background gives your artwork a chance to pop off any surface. They also arrive laminated with a gloss or matte top coat. And if you're printing at home, don't worry. There are still ways that you could laminate yourself after printing. You could try a clear gloss overcoat spray, which you can find at many hardware and craft stores. Once your labels are printed and dried, you lay them on a clean surface, shake the can, and spray an even coat over all of your material. You could also apply an overcoat sheet like our clear gloss laser sheets to create an extra layer of lamination to protect your designs. Just choose a size slightly larger than your existing label, apply it to the top, and let it sit. So are weatherproof labels the right option for you? If you're selling a product that's going to come in contact with moisture, oils, or heavy use, you're definitely going to want a waterproof label to add extra durability to your labels. And beyond those resistances, weatherproof labels can also just add a level of professionalism to the look of your labels. If you're interested in trying any of these weatherproof options before you buy, simply search for samples on our website and you can get a few sheets to try yourself at home. If you like this video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. And stay tuned for more helpful label videos. Thanks for watching.